Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I'm here to open the August 2023 Beauty Heroes box. I am filming this on August 5th, and I was away on vacation, so this box came while I was away. Unfortunately, I did happen to see something that told me that the brand featured this month is Inlight Beauty, and I don't know the two or whatever it is products that are in here. I stopped myself. I started scrolling Instagram and I totally forgot that I wasn't supposed to be on, so I wouldn't find out. And then I was reading, I'm like, oh, oops. So I stopped myself. So the brand is Inlight Beauty. I don't have any products from them, so I am really excited to see what we got. So let's unbox it together. I'm having a beer. I just got back from a trip today. So excuse my lovely appearance and everything as usual. So let's see what the products are. Okay, so Inlight Beauty. I'm excited because this is a product that I've heard some people that I really like on YouTube rave about, a company or a brand that people have really raved about, so I'm curious to see what we got here. Okay, we got the neck firming serum and the floral tonic. Now, I had heard Mercedes from L'Amour et la Musique talk about this neck firming serum, and I've heard her talk about the floral tonic. I know she likes the floral tonic. I'm pretty sure she uses this frequently, and I am interested to hear about these, so let's see. Okay, so we have two products. It says, this month, Inlight Beauty invites us to experiment with our regular routine by extending our skincare to an oft-neglected area, our neck and décolleté. Neck firming serum delivers protective, targeted actives to our delicate neck and deck, helping to firm, brighten, and rewind the signs of time. Floral tonic is refreshing elixir for face and body, formulated especially to rehydrate and recalibrate sensitive and overexposed skin. Featuring two products that complement any daily routine, this month's discovery is an invitation to slow down, extend your skincare, and refine your self-care ritual. All right, so neck firming serum is 50 milliliters. This is what the box looks like, by the way. So we have neck firming serum, which is 50 milliliters and costs $90. My first Inlight products. It says use, apply morning and evening to neck and décolleté, massaging gently in outwards and upward motions until absorbed. Okay. So as delicate as the skin around the eyes, as exposed as the skin on the face, and as neglected as the skin on the body, the neck and deck are not just areas of concern for people over a certain age. The effects of UVA, UVB rays, blue light, and time impact everyone, so it's never too early to incorporate the neck and deck as part of a daily routine. Neck firming serum is formulated to provide protection and support prevention of the telltale signs of tech neck and sun exposure, crepey, loose skin, hyperpigmentation, and dryness. The dry oil feels more like a serum and is formulated with cacao, an Amazonian oil renowned for its high concentration of plant-based phytoretinol and vitamin E that help encourage skin renewal and radiance. Grapeseed oil delivers a high dose of proanthocyanidins that boost brightness, and vitamin C rich camu camu acts as an astringent to tighten and tone the skin. You can see I'm reading from it, obviously. The buttery richness of avocado oil absorbs swiftly to deeply hydrate and nourish, while rose hip seed oil brims with fatty acids and vitamins to revitalize smooth and firm skin's appearance. Quick to absorb, the serum leaves no trace of oil on clothes, only a subtle aroma that smells as fresh as mountain air. Superpower ingredients are cacao oil, grapeseed oil, camu camu extract, avocado seed oil, rosehip seed oil, and sunflower seed oil. I also remember Mercedes from L'Amour et la Musique I believe she did a video for Enlight Beauty on how to apply this neck firming serum. Like she did her motions and everything. So I'll definitely have to refer back to that. But let's just put some on our hand and feel it and smell it. Okay. So that's the consistency. Smells good. Not perfumey. If anything, like a little bit herbally, I think. That's how much. So I think a little goes a long way, it seems, because my hand is pretty like greasy. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It almost smells like a little medicinal, like the most subtle medicinal, if I was going to describe it. Very like subtle, but like pleasant scent. So that's interesting. How I feel about a neck firming serum. Am I ever going to get into really putting skincare here and caring for my neck? I don't know. I would say it's not something that I'm like excited about, you know, like neck firming serum is not something that I would really seek getting, but I'm like curious to try it and give it a shot. I'm sure there's nothing wrong with like caring for the skin like on your neck, especially as you approach like older age and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna have to experiment with it and see. All right, and secondly, we have the Floral Tonic. And it looks like this absorbed right in, so it absorbed in nicely. The Floral Tonic is 6.75 fluid ounces, so it's pretty big. A value or a cost of $59. So this is a big product. This is the Floral Tonic. It's alcohol free. Apply generously over a pad, wipe and pat all over face and neck. Ideal after cleansing and or masking. Follow with face oil or deep moisture balm to lock in moisture. All right, so it's our toning step. From the brand that formulates without water comes a rule-bending floral tonic formulated with consciously sourced, ritualistically blended hydrosols of damask rose, chamomile, and lavender to soothe and satiate sensitive skin. The active waters work together to balance skin's pH, while a unique blend of grapefruit seed and agave sap condition the complexion. Formulated without alcohol, this luxurious botanical elixir is a gently refreshing toner to use on face, neck, and décolleté after cleansing and before treatment. Store in the refrigerator for additional cooling and calming effect. And the superpower ingredients are damask rose hydrosol, chamomile hydrosol, lavender hydrosol, and grapefruit seed and agave sap extract blend. All right, let's see. I remember her saying like it had a kind of an interesting applicator, I think. So, okay, so it just comes right out, no problem. And some toner. I don't know how to describe it. Subtle scent again. This is what the toner looks like. I know that's not like a great product to be able to see any type of like texture or anything like that. Yeah, the scent is not like, it just sort of smells like some like watery scented product. Does not help, does it? Okay, so that's everything. So this is interesting. Okay. I will say like, I'm like not excited and also excited. So I'm excited because I've never tried Enlight. I have heard Mercedes from L'Oreal La Musique talk a lot about this brand, really raving about them. So I am excited to try them in that sense. Product-wise, the type of products, not really something that get me excited, like neck firming serum and floral tonic. I kind of feel like toner is not an essential step in my skincare routine. I often don't even have a toner. I don't think I'll use like an essence sometimes, or I could use a toner, but like, I don't know, for me, it doesn't feel like an essential step. I think I am very blessed to have pretty normal skin I could probably do the most simple skincare and like that my skin would be happy, just like wash my face and like moisturize it, or like wash, serum, moisturize. Like I think my skin's kind of happy either way. So I kind of feel like a tonic is like not a necessary in my skincare routine, but I'm excited to try it. And I do believe Inlight has like a chocolate mask and some other masks and like different products. So I do think that I would potentially be more excited about like a product like a mask. I think it's like a chocolate orange mask, which sounds amazing. So there's some products that I think would have gotten me more excited, but I am interested to play with these and try them. And I like to see these little things that Beauty Heroes comes out with, like one way to play, and it features a bunch of the different products from past recent boxes. So it looks like they're showing to use this is the slow and simple skincare ritual. They're saying that we should use the Leilani Pamplemousse Tropical Enzyme Cleansing Oil, which I absolutely loved, as your cleansing step. And then you're going to hydrate with the Floral Tonic from Inlight. Then we're going to use the Ayuna Eye Serum, and then the Illuminate Face Oil from Henne Organics. And then you would do your delicate skin on your neck and décolleté with the Inlight Beauty's Neck Firming Serum. So that would be fun to like try that whole routine since I have all the products. Yeah, so it'll be interesting. I am really curious to see what you guys think of this box. What do you think about Inlight, and what do you think about these products specifically and about the box in general? Let's chat about it. Please give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, enjoyed it. Click the subscribe button to be alerted when the next video comes out, and let's chat in the comments below. And I look forward to talking to you guys again soon. Bye.